In Verilog, relational operators are used to compare two values and determine their relationship. The four main relational operators are less than, greater than, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. These operators help us check if one value is smaller, larger, or equal to another, and they produce a result based on this comparison. When using these operators, the result can be one of three types: 1 bin 0, 1 bin 1, or 1 bin x. If the comparison is true, the result is 1 bin 1. If the comparison is false, the result is 1 bin 0. However, if any operand contains high impedance z or unknown x bits, the result will be 1 bin x, indicating an unknown state. Relational operators also handle different data types. If at least one operand is unsigned, both operands are treated as unsigned, and any smaller operand is 0 extended to match the width of the wider operand. If both operands are signed integers, they are treated as signed, and the smaller operand is sign extended to match the width of the wider operand. This ensures that the comparison considers both operands correctly as signed numbers. If at least one operand is a real number, the other operand is converted to real, and the comparison is treated as a real number comparison. This allows Verilog to handle comparisons accurately regardless of the operand types.